All right. So Brian asks, he says, what is stock horsepower and how much can you increase it in a 604?
Honestly, it depends. I mean, it could be insignificant or significant because, I mean, we're ultimately talking like production line built engines. So, I mean, if everything works out great one day, then I could probably, gain very little. If it works out really bad the next day, then I can gain a lot.
Well, I would say
and a lot meaning, I don't know, under 20 horsepower, probably. I mean, if you'd asked me the same question, like, let's say 10 years ago, it would have been outrageous. So nowadays they've gotten down better. GM's like doing a better job. Their tolerances are probably a little bit better. I mean, their blocks still suck, but yeah.
But at least that's the same way it is for everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody's racing with the same thing.
100%.